Yo, what's up everybody? Chad Bennett here at NonStopMoneyTV.com. Welcome back to another online money making video. And right here in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can make the most money online, you guys. Yes, you heard me correctly. If you're out there searching around on the internet how to make money online and you are a beginner or you're someone that's even intermediate, because trust me, I spent the past 15 years trying to figure out how to make money online, trying all kinds of different crazy products, chased around my friends and family, only to fail time and time again, you guys. So if you want a passive income lifestyle, if you want to be able to work from home anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection when you want, this right here is the video for you. I'm going to show you exactly where to get started. I'm going to share with you my 3 simple steps that will lead you to success so you can make the most money online, passive income every single day, never work for somebody else ever again. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. All right, you guys, who's excited? Who wants to start making money online? Make sure that you drop me a comment. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Hit that bell notification and crush that thumbs up for me. Make sure that you give me a like so we can get this video out to as many people as we possibly can and start helping them make money online too and set them free and help them start earning passive income online. Now, as promised, you guys, I want to get straight into this and I want to, help you start making money online. So I want you to understand real quickly here. Once again, I've spent 15 years looking at all kinds of different crazy products, chasing around my friends and family, only to fail time and time again, you guys. I wanted to make money online. I saw people doing it, and I knew it was possible for me. I just needed to know exactly how to get started, what was legit, what worked. And the reason that I knew that a passive income lifestyle and working online was for me is because I knew that I had to check 3 different boxes, you guys. I needed to be able to work from anywhere in the world. I needed to be able to work when I wanted, you guys, and I needed to be able to make passive income. This is income while you sleep, you guys. Those 3 things got me really, really excited. So this leads me into step number 1, you guys. My biggest problem was I just didn't know how to do it. And I've asked survey questions online, to you guys as well, and asked you what were some of your obstacles. And a lot of people just said they just don't know how to get started. They don't know where to get started. So I'm going to make this very, very simple for you, you guys. I want you to understand this as well. I know what it's like to feel like everything's a scam and that you're wasting your money and you're wasting your time. And I want you to know that what I'm giving you right now is 100% real. It's 100% ethical. And the people that will help you through this are real people that really care and really want you to succeed, you guys. My team behind me loves people and they love helping people succeed. So here's where you get started, you guys. Check out the link in the top of the description of this video. Now, the reason that I tell you to go there and don't click on it until the end of this video, but I've left a link down in the top of the description and sometimes you'll find it in the comments as well. But what you need is a blueprint. And what I mean by that is, if you're not familiar with what a blueprint is, it's basically just instructions, something that tells you step by step exactly what to do. Place this here, then go here, then do this, and then do this, right? Because you need to build the foundation of your business, your online business, and then you simply just need to follow a set of instructions. Somebody that's been there before, somebody that knows what to do. Think of it like this, you guys. When you want to lose weight or build muscle, the fastest way to do it is to purchase a program from somebody that tells you step by step how many weights to lift, how heavy to lift, what days to work out, how to eat, how many calories you should be taking in. And there's nothing different about building your online business in the sense of what we're talking about in this video right here. That's exactly what you need, a blueprint that shows you how to build your very own successful online business. And I make this very, very simple. If you check out in the link in the top of the description, you guys, it will show you step by step. And I'll show you here in just a moment how you're going to get started. In the next 15 days, you guys, you could be up running your very own online business. Yes, it can happen that quickly for you. And then you don't have to work for anybody else anymore. Now, step number 2, after you get started, this is really important, you guys, is first of all, you need to have a blueprint so that you have instructions to follow. Second of all, you guys, and actually we should probably put this first, is you just need to get started, right? You need the right information, but you need to get started and take action, significant action every single day. And the people that I'm referring to that you will find in the top of the description here, They will help you stay consistent. They will give you a game plan. They will give you everything that you should be doing every single day to stay on target, building your very own online business, you guys. And that's very, very important. If you want to win in life, just stay consistent, right? Get the right information and stay at it every single day. And my last tip, you guys, step number 3 right here is don't quit. Once you get started, once you're staying consistent, once you're following the instructions, don't quit. And the reason that I say this is because it takes a little bit of time to build up results. I'm gonna go back to the gym analogy. Just imagine for a moment you started going to the gym. The first week, you're probably just gonna get really sore. You're not gonna notice much results at all, other than the fact that you just feel really sore, that it hurts, it's really painful. The second week, it gets a little bit easier, right? I mean, your muscles kind of break in, and then you start to build a little bit of muscle. Maybe you're starting to notice a little bit of changes. By the third week, you're really starting to get into a rhythm. And something else I want to throw in there as well is you want to create habits, healthy habits. And the way that you do this is just by staying consistent and doing the same things that work every single day, you guys. And I'll throw one more little tip in there as well. Change the people, the surroundings and stuff of the people that you're hanging out with. If you're the smartest person in the room, or if you're hanging out with people that don't have what you want, I'm not saying that they're bad people or anything like that. I'm just saying wherever you're trying to go in life, if you're hanging out with the wrong crowd, if you're hanging out with the wrong people, you are not going to find success, you guys. You have to put yourself, one of the easiest ways is to put yourself around or amongst people that have what you want, you guys. And by osmosis, you're going to start learning, you're going to start changing without even having to think about it, because you're going to want to gravitate towards them, be like them, do what they do, develop their habits. So surround yourself with successful people as well. I only meant to give you 3 tips in this, but we ended up going with probably 5, you guys. But this is just really important to me because I know there's a lot of people out there struggling right now, and I just wanted to give somebody, something that was ethical, something that works. And you know what? This is what I do every single day, you guys, and I know exactly what it's like just to be out there on the internet and just not know what's real and to not trust anything, you guys. And if you've been following this channel, for any period of time, you guys, you know that I really care and I really want to help as many people make money online as possible. Now, if you know anybody that could use this as well, if that's someone that wants to start their very own online business, please share this video with your friends, your family, post it on Facebook, social media, you guys, take it out there so we can help as many people as we possibly can start to earn money online, you guys. Also, make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell notification, make sure that you crush that thumbs up for me. Make sure you give me that like, you guys. That YouTube algorithm loves this, and this is what tells them to promote these videos, to get it out there to as many people as we possibly can. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the very end. I hope that you are doing well right now, and I hope that you choose a life of passive income so that you can stop working for somebody else, so that you can build your dreams, you guys. That's what this channel right here is all about, nonstopmoneytv.com. That's all I have for you today. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.